Well, the field appears to be clearing for the next Speaker of the House in Maryland as Adrian Jones steps down. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kai Jackson.
And I'm Mary Bubala. Fox 45's Mackenzie Frost joins us live to explain who's next in line and what it could mean for the direction of the chamber. Mackenzie.
Mary and Kai, over the weekend, as we get a little bit closer to the Democratic caucus vote, it looks like consensus is building behind one person to be the next Speaker of the House. And as it stands, it appears as if Delegate Joseline Pena-Melnyk has enough support to potentially be the next Speaker of the House of Delegates. Several names have been floating to lead the House of Delegates as Adrian Jones steps back. Chairs from key committees like Ben Barnes from Appropriations, C.T. Wilson from Economic Matters, Vanessa Atterbury of Ways and Means, Legislative Black Caucus leader Janelle Wilkins was eyeing the position, or even David Moon, the majority leader. But those delegates fading and support is gathering behind one.
Well, it does appear as though Delegate Joseline Pena-Melnyk from Prince George's County, who is the chair of the Health and Government Operations Committee, is going to be the next Speaker of the Maryland House of Delegates.
Delegate Joseline Pena-Melnyk has been a member of the House of Delegates since 2007 and ascended to chair of her committee in 2022. She's an immigrant who moved to New York from the Dominican Republic as a child. Pena-Melnyk graduated from high school in New York before going on to becoming an attorney. She's represented Anne Arundel in Prince George's County and Annapolis for 10 years.
She's very honest and really is perhaps the hardest working delegate in Annapolis.
While not on the same side politically as Pena-Melnyk, Delegate Kathy Shalega says she serves with the potential new speaker on the HGO committee and knows she's committed to healthy debate and has always had an open door policy.
While we may not agree on some issues, she always wants to make sure that all opinions are brought to the table.
Which wasn't always the case with the Speaker Jones, according to Shalega.
I was disappointed a number of times, especially in the last session, that debate was cut short. And we didn't feel like we were able to really get all the facts out on the table. And I know Delegate Pena-Melnyk very much values respectful debate.
On day one, the next speaker will be forced to face a laundry list of concerns, including a projected $1.5 billion budget deficit.
The biggest challenge Maryland is facing is affordability, whether it's utility bills, electricity bills that are unaffordable today, the looming deficit hanging over everyone's head, the taxes, the fees, car registration. She is hearing that.
Praise for Pena-Melnyk is already emerging. The Maryland Healthcare for All Coalition notes she was the lead sponsor for the state's Easy Enrollment and Prescription Drug Affordability Board. The group says Pena-Melnyk has shown her deep commitment to healthcare affordability for all. But Shalega notes even personal stances may have to take a back seat as speaker.
Certainly, Delegate Pena-Melnyk does have some more progressive ideas. But as the Speaker of the House, you really have to make sure that you're listening to everyone, that everyone's opinions and ideas are brought forward to make sure we can come up with the best solutions.
With the majority in the House of Delegates, Democrats will soon decide who they want to be the next speaker. And even members of the Freedom Caucus are eager to see who's elected.
Of course, it'll be a new day. And I'm excited to think about the second woman to be the Speaker of the House in the Maryland House of Delegates.
The Democratic caucus is set to meet to make their pick December 16th. Now, obviously, a lot of conversations are still happening behind the scenes, and this could also mean that some of the powerful committees have new chairs as well. So Annapolis come January could look very different than it did in years past, and we'll be keeping track of it all for you. Live in the newsroom, Mackenzie Frost, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.